हेलो एंड नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट शागोरिका भट्टाचार्य। वेल, सस्टेनेबल फैशन, व्हाट डज इट मीन? एक्चुअली व्हाट डज इट मीन? फैशन की बात तो हम बहुत करते हैं, परिधानों की बात बहुत करते हैं और आदिकाल से चला भी आ रहा है। कहते भी हैं कि फैशन अपने आप में बदलता रहता है, निरंतर है। लेकिन सस्टेनेबल फैशन क्या है, क्या इसकी परिभाषा है, मूलभूत रूप क्या है, ये जानने के लिए हमारे साथ आज स्टूडियो में हमारी विशिष्ट अतिथि मौजूद हैं, पल्लवी। हाय पल्लवी।
Hi, Sago. How are you?
Very well, and thank you so much for coming over.
Thank you for having me.
Well, I need to give a very short introduction of yours that Pallavi is one veteran person in the industry who's been working, I would say, not only working, वो अपने आप में सस्टेनेबल फैशन का जीता जागता उदाहरण है। किस तरह से इस पर्याय को आगे लेकर चले, कैसे इसको आगे बढ़ाएं, ये इनके पेज का भी मेरे ख्याल से सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट रहता है। और वो हमारी एक पार्टिसिपेंट भी रही हैं सोशल सुपरस्टार की, और शी वाज अ विनर एज वेल। सो चलिए आज पल्लवी से हम जानते हैं कि पल्लवी के अनुसार क्या है सस्टेनेबल फैशन। मेरा पहला सवाल यही है पल्लवी।
I will make it very simple. Actually में अगर हम ये देखें कि इंडिया में how have we been wearing clothes? How have we been living? It's actually sustainable fashion. So sustainability means something which is good for the people, for the planet, for the animal. So as long as your clothes are good for you, for the planet and animal, it's sustainable. And you know, Sagorika, we only look at fashion as the glamour part, but not what is behind. So what are we wearing? Is it doing good for you? Is it doing good for the planet? Like right now, we'll blame the government, we'll blame Diwali, we blame
Exactly.
Everything for 15 days. And then
It's all over.
It's over.
Yep.
But if you have seen around Delhi, I think we have 3 garbage
Exactly.
mountains. These are called landfills, and today more than half the landfill is choked with clothes.
True.
But that's something we don't think. You only think fashion about buying clothes, wearing clothes, but what happens to clothes after
Exactly.
you throw it out?
Absolutely.
That's where it's
The circle
is it
starts.
sustainable, not sustainable comes in the whole life cycle. How it is made, how you use it, and where does it go? That's
Okay.
sustainability in fashion.
दैट्स वंडरफुल, बिकॉज हम जब भी कभी कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं, ऑब्वियसली कपड़े तो खरीदना ही है, और राइट फ्रॉम द एज द मोमेंट वी आर बॉर्न टिल एंड ऑब्वियसली वी आर वेयरिंग समथिंग और द अदर। बट हाँ, कभी ये ध्यान से नहीं सोचा कि जब वो छोटे हो गए, फट गए, वो गए कहाँ। हमने ये सोचा ठीक है, हमने एक कपड़ा पहना, वो पहनने के बाद उसका एक टाइम लिमिट तक उसको पहनने के बाद हमने उसको किसी को दे दिया, या फिर हमने उसको फेंक दिया। फेंकने के बाद क्या वो वाकई में रिसाइकिल हो पा रहा है? क्या वो वाकई में हमारा जो एनवायरमेंटल जो पूरा लेयर है उसको कितना इफेक्ट कर रहा है? वो तो कभी हम सोचते ही नहीं है।
बिल्कुल। So actually starting from how is your clothes made? So of course we are looking at Instagram and we like it and we buy it, or you know it is a festival, you want to look nice, you're buying the clothes. कितनी बार सोचा है, आपने सोचा है कि किसने आपके कपड़े बनाए, कैसे बनाए? That is where in the last, I'll say 10-15 years, where fast fashion brands came in, which started telling us that, oh, you need a new outfit every 15 days.
True.
Let's go back.
Yeah.
We're talking about Durga Puja.
Absolutely.
Right? As a Bengali, when I was growing up in Jamshedpur, my Bengali friends would shop once a year, everything they want.
हाँ, मतलब 5 दिन का हमारे 5 आर्टिकल्स होने ही चाहिए।
And you're thinking about it.
Yes.
क्या चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए?
हाँ.
Okay, and then you also that value and that joy you got from it. Now think now, how many times are you shopping?
Barely. मतलब मैं तो barely.
You barely.
I
but
barely, but हाँ, generally लोग नहीं करते हैं. But हाँ,
मतलब
वो
सेल है तो शॉपिंग कर लो.
Every week, अगर I will not take the brand's name or the portal names, but yes, every second day there is a pop out कि आज ये धमाका चल रहा है, आज वो सेल चल रहा है, 70% off to 50% off, and obviously ये लोक लुभावन है, so आप उसकी तरफ आकर्षित होते हैं.
So all the fast fashion brands are actually, they come out with a new collection every 2 weeks. So that's twice a month.
Yes.
Which becomes 24 times in a year, or actually it's more. It's actually I think 52. That's the number of collection we are making.
Oh my God.
And that and so because you have a new collection, you need to get rid of the old things.
Yes.
So अभी सेल हो गया. अच्छा अभी ये और अब नया फेस्टिवल्स आ गए ना. राखी है, तीज है, हैलोवीन है.
कुछ ना कुछ लगा ही है. डॉटर्स डे है, फादर्स डे है.
आप सैड हो,
हाँ, तो आप खरीदने जा रहे हो.
आप सैड हो तो खरीद लो. आपका आज बैड डे है तो खरीद लो. सो इट इज जस्ट, सो वन इज नाउ वी आर बाइंग सो मच. सेकेंडली, व्हाट आर वी बाइंग? अर्लियर like our mothers were buying quality, expensive. It was investment.
Exactly. And that is the reason why कि अगर देखा जाए पल्लवी कि जो ब्रांड्स भी होते थे, जो वो कुछ ही चुनिंदा ब्रांड्स थे जिनकी तरफ हम ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व होते थे कि हमें ये लेना है बिकॉज दे आर एक्सपेंसिव. बट अब तो here and there everywhere you
In
can
fact,
find
I'll
it
say
out.
back then it was not just the brands. Like your mother, my mother, they would want exclusive और authentic साड़ी. तो मुझे कांजीवरम चाहिए
Yes.
तमिलनाडु से, बनारसी चाहिए वो बनारस से. इट वॉजंट अबाउट कि सस्ता मिल रहा है. आजकल हम क्या करते हैं, ये सस्ता है खरीद लो.
हाँ,
क्योंकि अभी हमें बोला जा रहा है कि आप अपने सोशल मीडिया में एक बार पहनोगे तो आपको अच्छा दिखना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन आप रिपीट मत करो, क्योंकि अगर आप रिपीट कर रहे हो तो आप कूल नहीं हो. अगर आप रिपीट कर रहे हो तो फैशनेबल नहीं हो.
Absolutely.
Whereas I would say you're only fashionable if you can wear the same outfit
again
10
and again,
times.
10 times in different avatars.
Exactly. Style it differently, and you're also styling it for different occasion, different weather. Abhi kya ho gaya? It's all trend. If it is this month, X is trending.
Yeah.
So it can be hot and humid, but you are wearing velvet.
True.
Because it's trending. Which is not doing good for your body also.
Any which ways.
I don't know how it looks. It always has to be as per the occasion. So when you talk sustainable, it was like all of it. How you buy your clothes, how you wear them, how you store them, how you take care of them, and how you dispose them. Now we are buying cheap fabric, which is mostly then polyester,
Yes.
which is made for petroleum.
Exactly.
So carbon footprint is there. Secondly, it's not biodegradable. It's plastic.
End of the day.
Your clothes is today plastic. You're wearing plastic on your body. You're throwing that plastic out in the garbage. Now we are throwing it out. मेरे को एक बार पहना था, मैंने फेंक दिया. वो कहाँ जा रहा है?
Nobody's even thinking about it.
Exactly, right?
That's the question.
वो कहाँ जा रहा है? वो आपके गार्बेज में है, वो लैंडफिल में जा रहा है. Now earlier it was cotton or silk which biodegrades.
Right.
Cotton, silk, linen, natural fabric. Now when we are doing nylon and polyester, even sequins.
Exactly.
Earlier sequins was metal, now it's all plastic.
It's all plastic. True.
Buttons are plastic.
Yes.
You are throwing it. It's there. It's lying there.
It's in the environment obviously. And उसका हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि वो जो कचरे के जो mountains जो बन रहे हैं, वो end of the day वो किस चीज का बन रहा है?
And today it is actually garments is I think the second highest in your landfills or third highest. There are countries in Africa where people are sending charity clothes or they are dumping their clothes. That whole beach, sea is full of garments.
Oh my God. Okay.
I don't remember the exact city. There's a city in South America, there is a city in South Africa where your entire ocean beach is filled with garments. Because now we have polyester in our clothes.
Yes.
So either you're burning it so it goes in your air,
Yes.
or it is in the sea, or it is on your landfill, so it's also going in your water.
So it's both ways, either ways I would say it is harmful and it is degrading not only the environment, I believe. आप जो खुद भी पहन रहे हैं तो आप भी तो कहीं ना कहीं उस चीज को इनकलकेट भी तो कर रही हैं.
So I was going to come to that second. So one is planet. So then everybody tells me कि या पल्लवी तुम बड़ी अच्छी बातें करते हो, सुन के अच्छा लगता है. बट हमें अपने ना ये Zara, H&M या न्यू ट्रेंडिंग कपड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. हमें मतलब वो अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है. It's good. You are a good person. You're doing for the planet. It's not that I'm being a good person. I would try to be, but it's also about me.
My skin.
Your skin is the largest organ or the second largest organ, right?
Organ.
On your largest organ, you're putting plastic.
All over. Every day.
Every day. You're blocking your pores. So you're blocking toxins from coming out. your sweat glands, everything is getting blocked also, right?
Absolutely.
Because when you're wearing cotton, linen, anything, it gets out.
Huh.
But this is keeping it inside the body. You're also not smelling nice.
That's what.
Because also, so that's where
That's a
also,
body odor.
so that, but that also comes from how clothes, right? So when
Clothes.
I'm saying sustainability, is when you're wearing a natural fabric, it's good for your skin. It lets your skin breathe. You smell better, and there are so many other things which you're not thinking. So when your outfit is cheap, like earlier. Or today, like when sustainable brands, they are using natural dyes, which is from vegetable, flowers, petals, whatever. Fast fashion or clothes, to make cheap clothes, you use chemical dyes.
Okay.
So on your clothes, when it's a chemical dye, it's chemical on your skin again it's
Absolutely.
on your pores.
Yes.
It's getting absorbed in your pores.
Yes.
You know the Yamuna foaming? A big portion of the Yamuna foaming comes from garment and leather industries, because our regulation do not really control or stop these companies from releasing the waste. So a lot of the river pollution is the chemical dyes.
End of the day, and obviously we can see that froth.
Yeah, so that froth is also coming from your garment. Again, if you think that it's not affecting you, it's our water, right? I mean, Delhi, we are drinking that water in some form. So,
And end of the day, Pallavi, what I believe, it's not only about the fact that ye mera hai, ye tumhara hai. It's us.
I love what you just said, because I was, when I get asked this, ki, Arey, how do you think like this, or why, what made you change? But I realized that I have grown up like that. So I have grown up in Jamshedpur. It's a Tata town. Our houses, water, electricity, everything is taken care by the Tata. So we didn't really grow up with this idea that because we're not paying water or electricity bill. And what I see a lot in I'll say kids or even like elders, when I move to a big city or a metropolitan city, Delhi, Bombay, that so my father always told me, this is resource. So he never said that, oh, I'm paying the bill,
Yeah.
so use it properly, like switch off the lights or
Put the
put
tap
water
off.
tap off. Like I could not be brushing and have the tap
on.
open.
Exactly.
And he's not paying the bill, but he said these are resources. Don't
Yes.
waste resources. So what you just said, that idea that it is shared resources,
Yes.
was put in my head. It wasn't put in my head that, oh, you know, we are paying a lot of money.
That's why we are getting
Like,
it.
switch off the AC or use the
हाँ.
AC because electricity bill ज़्यादा आ रहा है.
हाँ, वो चीज़ दिमाग में नहीं था.
अब वो सिखाया ये resource है. It also comes because my father grew up in the village, moved to the city, so they didn't have resources, you know, so they value resources. So he taught me that you have to value resources, and this is resource for everybody on this
Everyone.
planet.
So वो उसको मतलब जैसे हम लोग पढ़ाते भी हैं ना कि आपको कंजर्वेशन करना चाहिए, रिजर्व करना चाहिए, लेकिन वो रिजर्व कहाँ तक करें? क्योंकि सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात जहाँ भी आती है, बोलने में अच्छा लगता है, सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, हम देखते भी, हम राइटर भी लिखते हैं, लेकिन जहाँ पे फैशन की बात आ जाती है, जहाँ पे अपने पे उसको एब्जॉर्ब करने की बात आती है, we come back to zero.
Yeah. So currently, you know, the sad news which happened last week with ENY, that whole work-life balance, or you should be paid
Exactly.
as per your work when you're a corporate person, right?
Yeah.
We all want fair wage. But most people are blind about buying fast fashion, which exploits labor, which doesn't pay fair wage,
Exactly.
which exploits children, women, they are in bad working condition. Everybody who's buying all these fast fashion brands, they know this. When you are going to the mall and going into a Zara, H&M, Uniqlo, they all have enough news right now on social media.
True.
You know they're not getting paid well, but then you're not bothered. So for me, this is hypocrisy, and I'm not talking about people who, you know, if you can afford or not. If you can afford a fast fashion brand, you can afford.
Pallavi, I think it's not only about what you can afford. I think it's more to do with what should you buy.
So that's what I'm saying. Like they'll always say, oh, you know, sustainable fashion or handmade or all these things are expensive. So that's why I'm buying this. So one, it's not really cheap.
It is not.
Secondly, people know this, right? So you are okay to buy something where somebody else is not getting paid fairly. Then you're blind about it, or you just pretend that it's not there. But you want to be paid fairly.
यहाँ पे एक चीज़ और भी आती है तुमसे बात करते हैं जो मुझे समझ में आया, कई बार ये क्वेश्चन भी आता है, सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं तो इंडियन वर्जन में हमारे पास फैशन में कुछ है लेकिन हमारे पास वेस्टर्न में कुछ नहीं है, बट दैट्स अ रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्शन. व्हाट पल्लवी इज वेयरिंग, इट्स इंडो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट एंड इट इज purely I can sustainable.
Yes.
And could you just explain this attire?
Yes. So I mean I can name the brand also.
No.
Okay. So anyways, this is an Indian sustainable brand, and you know today Sagarika there are so many Indian brands. We have students passing out of fashion schools who really want to, other than making like me, that I love fashion, I want to wear good clothes, but they also want to be sustainable. They want to utilize or I'll say utilize the rich Indian textile, which we have forgotten.
Yes.
I mean, the reason we were invaded by so many different kind of people is because of our textile, our art form.
Exactly.
Right. So from our silks and cotton, but it somehow wasn't cool. So today you have so many of these. So this is silk. This is a upcycle from sari patchwork jacket.
That's lovely.
So it is sustainable in the sense that it is re-love, like it's a second life, right?
Second life. मतलब आप एक चीज जो पहन चुके हैं आपने उसको re-look दिया है, retouch
so
देके
we call it upcycle. That you know when you make something new from an existing thing. Recycle is when you break it down. The beauty of Indian textile is this, or saris, right? That it is so beautifully woven, just the textile, that like look at the shine.
Absolutely.
This is silk, right? And today we are buying polyester or nylon, this kind of fabric, because we've forgotten our fabrics. Also, these are all hand woven. These are made by karigars who never went to any school.
Yes, this is what I really wanted to know also, Pallavi. हम लोग सस्टेनेबिलिटी की फैशन की तो बात करते हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ कभी हमने शायद ये नहीं सोचा कि वो जो कारीगर हैं जो इसे बना रहे हैं, and it's a very intriguing work if you could see so much. If you talk about ढाकाई जामदानी, because I generally wear saris a lot, तो साड़ी में भी आपकी काफ़ी सारे ऐसे काम होता है, काफ़ी सारे ऐसे वर्क होते हैं जो हाथों की कारीगरी हम इसे कहते हैं, लेकिन क्या वो लोगों ने कभी भी ऐसी कोई शिक्षा या ऐसा कुछ कोई स्कूल या कॉलेज तो लिया नहीं है?
Not at all.
Not at all. But they are doing it for ages.
So exactly. So this is like this is an art form, right? Because it has been passed down generation by generation within the family or in the village. Like there would be maybe some guru who's teaching them, but it's mostly family.
It's mostly family.
You learn from your father or your mother, and it's passed down, and there is actually not even enough documentation.
True.
Like today, if you look at silk weaving, how Banarsi is woven, to how a Muga silk in Assam is woven, to how Jamdani is woven, is all very different. And
handlooms अलग हो जाता है. Everything.
Yeah. So
सबकी अपनी
so these are handloom, but even that handloom is different. Like Jamdani has double work happening. Banarsi अलग हो गया.
Yeah, exactly.
Patni अलग हो गया. And they all are region wise. It has been passed down, but now we are losing it because we are, as you said, that how many people are buying this?
Yes.
How many people are buying saris? How many people are buying handcrafted handloom because they find it expensive?
Yes.
But you do not find international labels expensive.
They are not, because the same reason what we were talking about.
That you think that having that is aspirational or it puts you in a league.
It may, but end of the day, eventually you are staying on planet Earth.
Yeah, but
You need
again,
to think about
yeah,
it.
but again, in that league also, a lot of things you're buying there are again PU It's not leather. It's not again, leather is a different story, but it's not. And actually, a lot of these international labels use our textile, use our karigar, but it's put in as made in Italy, made in France, and you're buying that. There you're not negotiating. That's the other thing, right? Here you will always negotiate. अगर आप कोई भी क्राफ्ट बाजार जाओगे, हैंडलूम बाजार जाओगे, दिल्ली हाट, ऐसी जगह जाओगे तो हम हमेशा नेगोशिएट करते
ही हैं,
है ना? They also now put that extra bit because they know we are negotiating, but we don't negotiate with these labels. We wait in the line.
Yes.
We wait in the line for them to give it to us.
Exactly.
Right?
So that's again, it's not only about the fashion, Pallavi. I believe हम कहीं ना कहीं जो that Western culture,
the colonial hangover of inferiority is there.
Here I would like to take up the issue that today's market in today's world is about influencers, content creators. That's what we talk about. And I have seen personally, I believe even you have, that जब हम इन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की बात करते हैं, कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स की बात करते हैं, फैशन की ही पर्टिकुलरली मैं बात करूंगी. फैशन में आई हैव नेवर सीन दीज both men and women, I would say, to repeat or to recycle or to, I would say, restyle.
Yes.
Whereas they are all, क्योंकि उनको लेबल एक्सपोज करना होता है, ब्रांड से उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशंस होते हैं, they have to portray, they have to give their reels and post and everything, but have they ever thought of recycling, or not even recycling,
just
restyling their own,
rewearing, even same rewearing,
yes, the same attire and same outfit, where I have seen your page is also promoting the same.
Yes. So this is also where earlier when I was talking about sustainability and price points. So आजकल fashion is in the last 10 years, like probably since social media.
Yeah.
Before that, I don't think anybody really had an issue about rewearing. But social media में वही हो गया ना, again that imagery about you being cool, or if you have money, then you'll not repeat your clothes.
That is the biggest.
But
thing.
then again, see, that's not sustainable.
No.
Even if you have money, how much money do you have to buy new clothes every day? It's not sustainable, right? So that is where, because now, of course, to be a fashion influencer, to get paid, you want to be on top of the game, whatever is trending, right? So if it is trending, that you are only fashionable if you don't repeat your clothes.
Yes.
That kind of became a communication which was built up a lot by the fast fashion brands. Even now you'll see these memes, that reel, I saw this reel कि मैं मर जाऊंगी लेकिन आउटफिट रिपीट नहीं करूंगी.
हाँ, this is the new conception that I have seen कि सुबह की चाय एक अलग आउटफिट के साथ, दोपहर का खाना दूसरे आउटफिट के साथ, और रात के डिनर या पब पार्टी तीसरे या चौथे आउटफिट के साथ. But dude, you need to get yourself right on the fact that ठीक है आप पहनिए, लेकिन आप revisit तो कीजिए अपनी ही क्लोथिंग को. आपका जो अलमीरा स्टैकअप होता जा रहा है.
And that is the other meme कि I have a full cupboard but I have nothing to wear.
हाँ.
Right? Now both of this is related, and it would work out if you were just being sustainable in the sense, क्योंकि अगर आप को रोज नए कपड़े खरीदने तो फिर आप अल्टीमेटली आपको सस्ते कपड़े चाहिए, because you just want to you also I've also grown up in that part in some years कि हाँ ठीक है ना, एक बार पहन लेते तो ये अगर 500 का टॉप है तो एक बार पहन के फिर फेंक दिया तो क्वालिटी डजंट मैटर.
Yes.
Right? So again, because at that time we didn't know फेंका तो वो गया कहाँ. फर्स्टली
वो चीज़ दिमाग में आती नहीं.
अब दूसरा जब मेरे को समझ में आने लगा कि अगर हम फेंक रहे हैं और वो पॉलिएस्टर है विच इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर द प्लैनेट, तब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर माई बॉडी ऑल्सो.
एग्जैक्टली.
देन आई रियलाइज कि बिकॉज इट इज़ मेड चीप, इट इज़ नॉट द बेस्ट क्वालिटी, like it doesn't fit you well, or the way it's stitched, it's not that polished. Then the material, like, right, the material will fade if depends on the dye, तो वो सब हो गया. But here when you're buying anything which is sustainable, which is expensive, which is better made, और आपने ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च किए हैं तो आप उसको वापस पहनोगे ना कि भाई मैंने इतने पैसे खर्चे.
यहाँ पे पल्लवी, I can proudly say that I personally revisit and re-wear it not only my own clothes, my mom's clothes as well. As my page is also about 3 generation. That is my mother, me and my daughter. And everybody has seen that I've been wearing, this is my mom's blouse. Like I just said, this is my mother's blouse. Definitely this is a new sari which I wore. Again, the Durga Puja bling. But apart from that, I'm sure this sari will be worn by my daughter.
So this is such a good point of this 3 generation. We all are wearing our mother's sari. Our generation, how many clothes do you even have to pass it down to your next generation?
Barely, shayad.
Because if you're not buying quality clothes.
Exactly. Like I said, this was my mom's, and did she bought from Kolkata, then her,
because they would go and look कि मेरे को ऐसा proper cotton चाहिए, वो ना touch करके या वैसे करके बोलेंगे कि ये अच्छा ही नहीं है, या वो अगर सस्ता है वो बोलेंगे वो चलेगा ही नहीं. Because उनको वो था कि हम अच्छे कपड़े खरीदे जो last करेगा. What we are doing कि हमें तो बस Instagram में एक बार पहनना और फेंक देना है. तो उस चक्कर में we are not seeing how clothes are made, then how are we wearing it. जब कपड़े सस्ते हैं तो आप उसको अच्छे से रखते नहीं हो.
बिल्कुल.
Your mother must be dry cleaning it. She would be summer चला गया तो वो पैक करके अंदर रखना है.
बलबल के कपड़े में साड़ियों को रखना, नीम के पत्ते रखना. So these are the old rituals, and I believe आज के डेट में भी अगर if you are not able to make so much of effort, इतना तो कीजिए कि कम से कम कल की डेट में the same thing, the line you said, passing down to your second generation, वो कम से कम कहें कि हाँ मैंने अपनी माँ का कुछ पहना, whether it's a boy or a girl. या मेरे पापा का पहना. There's a story to tell about.
You have a story, you have a remembrance, you have a feeling when you wear those clothes. जैसे दुर्गा पूजा की बात करते हैं, you know, like when you would buy that दुर्गा पूजा के कपड़े, आपकी कितनी सारी feelings और stories होती हैं.
जी हाँ.
ना you have waited कि 6 महीने से कि मेरे को ये चाहिए.
Absolutely.
So there was so much story, or you will have story that your father bought this from there.
Exactly.
Your mother picked this from that place. But अभी क्या story है? We all are buying online. We are doing hauls. And then when we're talking about the influencer culture, sorry, we moved. But I mean, of course, they need to make money and they'll do what is trending. So when you're doing these hauls, आप कितने haul करोगे? तो अब उसको new story क्या बना रहे हैं? Haul under 500.
Yes.
Clothes under 1000.
That is the kind of story what you are weaving in.
But there's nothing to do about fashion. There is nothing to do with styling. मैं sustainability तो छोड़. I'm like, you know, you think कि sustainability बहुत बड़ा word है. कुछ नहीं है.
It's all here.
If you're a fashion person, if you enjoy fashion, like you would have a blouse for this sari, right?
Absolutely.
But you picked up a printed blouse, some story,
exactly.
Right? Like, because then this is your style.
Yes.
But
and I try to wear something which is obviously I can always flaunt that this is my mother's. And like you say, that feel, that warmth is there. There is a story to talk about.
Yes. And then people will ask you.
Yes.
Right? But if you're dressing like everybody else, nobody's talking about it. Then it's like, oh, ye hot hai ya nahi hai.
That is the only thing. But styling is very important. And Pallavi.
And also I feel like somewhere it's also part of the pop culture and advertising. That where we have become very catering to the male gaze. So you're just dressing up to show our body, not about fashion and style.
The styling. But that fashion and styling is very much required. So मैं यही कहूँगी with our platform and since you are here, that please work on sustainable fashion that is in need of the hour for the mother planet. That is very important, not only for your body, for the environment. Because हम अपने घर में नहीं, वो घर भी तो
हमारा ही घर है.
हमारा ही घर है.
ये हमारा घर है.
This is the entire universe की बात अगर हम करते हैं तो अर्थ भी तो हमारा ही घर है, उस घर के बीच में हमारा घर है. सो उस घर को अगर संजो के रखना है तो सस्टेनेबिलिटी को कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में रखना बेहद ज़रूरी हो जाता है. Well, Pallavi, thank you so much for coming over and discussing the flaws and the plus points of fashion sustainability.
Thank you for picking up this topic because I think it's high time that we really imbibe sustainability in our life.
Absolutely.
And fashion, very important because we are also a very big polluting angle. So let's be mindful. Yes.
Absolutely. What you're wearing and what you are having in your hand. Well, in that note, I must say bye to you. But yes, for the next episode, we will be having more conversations with me.